Think real estate investing is only for the rich? Think again. In this video, I'll show you how beginners can start investing in real estate with confidence, even if you're starting with little to no experience. Stick around, because I'll share my top strategies that anyone can use to start building wealth today. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Belinda, and welcome to Financially Savvy, the place where we make investing simple, approachable, and fun. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today's video is all about getting started with real estate investing. I'll walk you through the basics, break down industry jargon, and share actionable tips you can use to start investing right away. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to begin your real estate journey. And why real estate is a smart investment. Why invest in real estate? Well, real estate is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools available. Here's why. Cash flow. Properties generate monthly rental income, putting money in your pocket. Appreciation. Over time, property values tend to go up. 3 tax benefits. Real estate offers deductions like mortgage interest and depreciation. 4. Leverage. You can use other people's money, like a mortgage, to buy assets that grow in value. Whether you're looking for passive income or long-term wealth, real estate is a smart choice, and I'll show you how to get started today. And 2, the types of real estate investments. Next, let's talk about the different types of real estate investments. It's important to know your options. Residential rentals, single-family homes, duplexes, or apartments. Great for beginners. 2, commercial properties, offices, retail spaces, or warehouses. Ideal for higher returns but requires more experience. 3, REITs, real estate investment trusts. Perfect for passive investors who don't want to manage properties directly. 4, house flipping, buying properties to renovate and sell for a profit. 5, vacation rentals, think Airbnb or VRBO. Great for popular tourist destinations. Start small with residential rentals or REITs if you're new to this world. Then, as you gain experience, you can branch out into other types. 3, how to find your first investment property. Now, let's talk about finding your first investment property. Here's what you need to do. Research local markets. Use Zillow, Redfin, or Realtor.com to explore listings and rental demand in your area. Run the numbers. Use the 1% rule to quickly evaluate if a property makes sense. For example, a $150,000 property should generate at least $1,500 in monthly rent. Build your team. Work with a real estate agent, lender, and possibly a property manager. Don't rush this step. The better your research, the better your chances of finding a winning investment. 4, financing your investment. Worried about how to pay for your first property? Don't be. Here are some financing options for beginners. Conventional loans. With a 20% down payment, you can secure financing for a rental property. 2, FHA loans. Great for first-time buyers. You can start with as little as 3.5% down if you live in one unit. 3, house hacking. Buy a duplex or triplex, live in one unit, and rent out the others to cover your mortgage. 4, private lenders. Borrow from friends, family, or real estate investors. 5, partnerships. Team up with someone to share costs and profits. Choose the option that works best for your financial situation, but remember to always plan for unexpected expenses. 5, managing your property. Once you've bought your property, managing it effectively is the key to success. Here's how. Screen tenants carefully. Always check credit scores, references, and employment history. Set the right rent. Use tools like Rentometer to compare rents in your area. Handle maintenance quickly. Happy tenants equal consistent cash flow. Consider a property manager. If you don't want to deal with day-to-day issues, hiring a manager is worth it. Remember, being a good landlord is just as important as finding the right property. Key takeaways. To recap, here's your ultimate beginner's guide to real estate investing. Understand the benefits of real estate. 2, explore different investment types and pick the one that suits you. 3, do your research and find the right property. 4, use smart financing options. 5, manage your property like a pro. With these steps, you're ready to take your first step into real estate investing. Trust me, the journey is worth it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more actionable tips on real estate and investing. Drop your questions or beginner-friendly tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.